Navigating through troubles. Understanding, be in the clear. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, be in the clear. This expression is widely used in both casual and formal contexts, and understanding it can really help you in mastering the nuances of English communication. So, let's get started and uncover the meaning and usage of be in the clear. To be in the clear means to be free from suspicion, danger, or accusation. It's used when someone is no longer in a difficult situation or under any threat of being blamed or pursued. This phrase can be applied in various scenarios, such as after resolving a misunderstanding, overcoming a health issue, or being acquitted of charges in a legal context. While the exact origins of be in the clear are a bit murky, it's generally thought to stem from older expressions related to emerging from dense forests or difficult terrain, symbolizing safety after escaping danger or difficulty. Over time, it evolved into a metaphor for being out of trouble in a broader sense. 1. After a misunderstanding. After explaining the situation, I was finally in the clear with my friend. 2. In legal situations, the new evidence presented in court meant that the accused was in the clear. 3. Health scenarios. Following the medical tests, my doctor told me I was in the clear. 4. General troubles. Once we finished the project on time, we were in the clear with our boss. Using be in the clear correctly will help you sound more like a native speaker and convey your messages more effectively. When using be in the clear, ensure that the context is about escaping trouble or being free from blame. It is not used for being clear in terms of understanding or visibility, which is a common mistake among learners. Understanding phrases like be in the clear is crucial for fluent English communication, as it allows you to express complex ideas succinctly and accurately. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this phrase for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using be in the clear in your conversations and writings. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Stay curious and keep learning.